ऑलराइट स्टूडेंट्स, वेरी वार्म वेलकम फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर सेशन। और आज के सेशन में हमारा टारगेट है दैट हाउ यू गाइस कैन यूटिलाइज द मैथन गो क्रैश कोर्स। Just a second. All right. Okay. Now, how you can utilize the MathonGo Crash Course so that you can score 70 plus at maths in the limited 90 days period that you have. Okay. So we have a lot of queries that are coming in regarding that, sir, how the crash course will work, how and all those things, right? So our target is in this particular course to in this particular video is to explain कि आप लोग इस पर्टिकुलर क्रैश जो 90 डे क्रैश कोर्स हम लोगों ने लॉन्च करा है उसको आप कैसे बेनिफिशियल बना सकते हैं। ठीक है। अच्छा, बिफोर आई मूव फॉरवर्ड, इट्स अ वेरी वेरी बिग अनाउंसमेंट फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू। So now meritorious students will have the opportunity to get this course as free, completely free. Yes, you got it right. But how it is going to happen, sir, कैसे होगा हमें नहीं समझ में आ रहा है। The thing is very simple. ठीक है, meritorious students who score more than 99 percentile in maths, सिर्फ मैथ सेक्शन की बात करें क्योंकि हमारा काम सिर्फ मैथ से रिलेटेड है। In maths, at the January edition of JEE Mains, their entire fee will be refunded. जितना हम आप लोगों से चार्ज कर रहे हैं, जितना भी चार्ज करते हैं इस पर्टिकुलर कोर्स के लिए, दैट विल बी रिफंडेड। सो बहुत सारे लोगों का हमें मेल आया कि सर, आई एम मेरिटोरियस, आई शुड बी गिवन सम डिस्काउंट, आई शुड बी दिस। सो वी थॉट रादर देन डिस्काउंट डिस्काउंट का गेम खेलें, कोई लाइटनिंग डील दें डेली बेसिस पे, बेटर है क्लियर कट काम करते हैं, पढ़ा रहे हैं उसका पैसा लेते हैं। अगर आप अच्छा परफॉर्म करते हैं देन वी शुड रिवॉर्ड यू, डेफिनेटली रिवॉर्ड यू। सिंपल, कोई टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन ज्यादा बड़ी नहीं है। आप 99 परसेंटाइल एंड अबव लाइए, give that proof to us, we'll refund your entire money. So if we are charging 4990 from you, we'll refund 4990 if 99 percentile and above, और वो भी सिर्फ मैथ्स में। हमें फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि आप दूसरे कोर्स फिजिक्स और केमिस्ट्री में क्या करते हैं, मैथ्स जो हम पढ़ा रहे हैं अगर उसमें आपके 99 है then you will get it for free, right? In that way. Next big announcement, a lot of students were asking कि सर नए पैटर्न पे है, पुराने पैटर्न पे है, क्या है? So the demo course will be available right after this video. जब आपका वीडियो खत्म हो जाएगा then you will be available with the demo course. So you can go to mathongo.com and you will find a check demo link on the main page. आप क्लिक करें, गूगल लॉगिन करके आप पहला जो चैप्टर है हमारा बेसिक ऑफ मैथ्स, you can actually see that सारी की सारी videos you can watch. You can see the new DPP structure of NTA, that is 25 questions out of which 5 will be numerical. You will get that kind of sheets to practice on. You can see in the demo course. All right. So what I am going to do is I am going to start with list of topics, list of questions that I have taken from a lot of students इनकी query है। ठीक है, अब देखते हैं वो कैसे कॉमन होगी और कैसे हम उसको सॉल्व करेंगे। ठीक है, सबसे पहली बात, जब सबसे पहला सवाल जो हर बच्चे का आता है कि सर देयर आर लॉट ऑफ कोर्सेज रनिंग इन, व्हाई यू से दैट इट इज योर बेस्ट, क्या अच्छा है इसमें, क्या आप चीजों को डिफरेंशिएट करते हैं, व्हाई वन शुड जॉइन द मैथनगो कोर्स एंड नॉट जॉइन एनी एल्स, सब कहीं और ज्वाइन क्यों ना करें। इसका आंसर है आपको किस तरीके से प्रिपेयर करना चाहिए। हमने उसी थॉट से पूरा का पूरा सिलेबस बनाया है, पूरा पूरा कोर्स उस तरीके से स्ट्रक्चर करा गया है कि आप मैक्सिमाइज कर पाए। वी वॉन्ट यू टू डू हार्ड वर्क बट स्मार्ट वर्क मोर इंपॉर्टेंटली। ठीक है, हार्ड वर्क तो हर कोई करा रहा है कि यार लेक्चर्स पे लेक्चर्स चल रहे हैं, वीडियोस आ रहे हैं, शीट्स पे शीट्स आ रही हैं। आवर टारगेट इज क्या कम मेहनत करा के ज्यादा आउटपुट निकाला जा सकता है। दैट इज वाई वी से दैट वी आर वन ऑफ द बेस्ट इन दिस एरियाज। अब कैसे हुआ प्लीज थोड़ी देर के लिए शांत रहे, मैं आप सबके डाउट्स लूंगा और आपके सबके डाउट्स भी क्लियर करने वाला हूं मैं। सी दिस हियर। अब ये कुछ शीट देके कुछ अगर आपको समझ में आता हो, इसमें क्या हो रहा है कि ये 1 साल का पेपर है एक्चुअल में, ठीक है, किसी एक पर्टिकुलर ईयर का आप समझ लो पेपर दिखा रहा हूं मैं आपको। हम लोगों ने इसको इतना डेप्थ में घुस के एनालाइज करा कि उस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन का डिफिकल्टी क्या है, क्वेश्चन किस कैटेगरी का है, कि नॉलेज बेस्ड है, एनालिटिकल है, कैलकुलेटिव है, चैप्टर कौन सा है, चैप्टर में मेन टॉपिक कौन सा पूछा गया, स्किल सेट कौन सा यूज हो रहा है। कि फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आप पहला चैप्टर देखो, मैं आपको हाईलाइट करके दिखाता हूं कि किस लेवल पे काम चल रहा है हमारे कोर्स के अंदर। सो अगर आप देखो, मैं कहता हूं ऑड फंक्शन क्वेश्चन आया, स्किल सेट क्या पूछा गया, ऑड फंक्शन डिफाइंड व्हेन x इज ग्रेटर देन 0। इंटरेस्टिंग प्रॉब्लम, वी डू नॉट अंडरस्टैंड दीज काइंड ऑफ प्रॉब्लम। सो हमने क्वेश्चन में जब अपना क्रिएशन करा कोर्स का, वी इंक्लूडेड दीज काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस सो दैट थिंग्स कुड बी इजियर फॉर यू। कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर, आर्ग्यूमेंट, आर्ग्यूमेंट की कौन सी प्रॉपर्टीज, इट नॉट जस्ट आर्ग्यूमेंट, आर्ग्यूमेंट में कितना डिफिकल्ट लेवल पे क्वेश्चन आया, दैट इज व्हाट वी हैव डन। सी हियर, तो वी व्हाट वी डिड, ये जो सारे आप इंटरेस्टिंग स्किल सेट्स देख रहे हैं, you will be doing all these skill sets in the course. That is why this course becomes very very special for all of you. तो जो जिस तरीके से, so now what's the big picture here, so you guys should have prepared according to this, right? कि क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है सर, कौन सा टॉपिक पूछा जाता है, टॉपिक नहीं, कौन सा स्किल सेट पूछा जाता है। so we have gone into depth of that kind of analysis. That is why we are very confident कि यार हम लोग यहाँ से कुछ ना कुछ तो रिजल्ट हमेशा बना के निकाल ही लेंगे। That is why it is one of the best course. Each lecture, each question is highly analyzed. So whatever we do is highly analyzed, and now I have given you the proof when I say why it is so much analyzed and why it is best. ठीक है, सो रिजल्ट क्या रहा अगर मैं बात करता हूं आपसे, व्हाट सर, अब अगला क्वेश्चन आप सबका आता है कि सर इससे इंपैक्ट क्या रहा, व्हाट वाज द इंपैक्ट ऑफ दिस। सो लास्ट ईयर व्हेन वी डिड दिस एंड वी इंक्लूडेड 2019 दिस ईयर, 10% people scored more than 99.2 percentile out of our batch। जो क्रैश कोर्स पिछले साल में रन करा सक्सेसफुल इन 70% of the paper, yes, that's the stop that we guys did, 70% of the paper was similar to what we were giving you in sheets and in the video lectures। ठीक है, अगर इतनी एनालिसिस करोगे तो यार पेपर आप एक्चुअल में कहीं ना कहीं आप कोरिलेट करके मैच करना शुरू कर दोगे। बिलीव मी, we took almost 2 months to solve 700 questions of maths which have come in last 7 years। उन 700 क्वेश्चंस को सिर्फ सॉल्व नहीं करा गया, एक एक चीज को आपने देखा कैसे एनालाइज करा गया, डिफिकल्ट, स्किल सेट, हर चीज में, और पता लगाया गया कि चैप्टर टॉपिक नहीं, कौन कौन से स्किल सेट्स पूछे जाते हैं पेपर में। वी आर गोइंग टू प्रिपेयर दैट स्किल सेट फॉर यू। ठीक है, ऑलराइट। So now coming to the 3 main important topics or 3 main important pillars of this particular crash course, video lectures जो कि प्री रिकॉर्डेड मिलेंगे आपको, ठीक है, दूसरा हम जो करेंगे असाइनमेंट्स, और तीसरा लाइव डाउट सॉल्विंग। आई एम गोइंग टू टेक ईच वन ऑफ देम एंड आई विल ट्राई कि आपके जो डाउट्स आते हैं, आई एम गोइंग टू मेक श्योर दैट देयर इज नो डाउट्स आफ्टर यू वॉच दिस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो। सो वीडियो लेक्चर्स, सो वीडियो लेक्चर्स को हमने जब डिफाइन करा तो किस माइंडसेट के साथ बनाया। सो इन मैथ्स you must have figured out, or in for example for other 2 subjects also, you are studying a lot on basis of concepts. You are always into books, but when you try and solve questions, or when you sit in the examination hall, you are not able to score. Why? That's the thing which is written on your screen. Enough of theory. It's time to start solving question, guys. You are missing this important part. तो हम लोगों ने वीडियो लेक्चर्स को क्या करा, अभी तक क्या होता है स्टैंडर्ड प्रोसेस, आप किसी भी क्लास में जाते हैं, आप किसी भी वीडियो लेक्चर को अटेंड करते हैं, आप कोई भी लाइव सेशन अटेंड करते हो, दे फर्स्ट टीच यू थ्योरी। अब वो थ्योरी पढ़ते पढ़ते में जब तक क्वेश्चंस का टाइम आता है तब तक आप अगले चैप्टर में मूव ऑन कर जाते हो। व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम लाइंग हियर? द अंडरलाइंग प्रॉब्लम इज you know the concept but you do not know the application. We reverse the process. What we did is we are going to teach you with the help of questions, not just theory. So we believe every student knows a little bit of theory, right? आपको 100%, 70% theory नहीं आती है चलेगा, but you must know 40%, right? 40% तो पढ़ लिया, स्कूल में पढ़ा, बोर्ड में पढ़ा, या ट्यूशन में पढ़ा और कोचिंग में पढ़ा। On the basis of that 40%, we will make sure that you get to that 90% of the concept through application buildings. So पढ़ाया कैसा गया है video lectures में? Questions, and through those questions we are going to teach you all the relevant skill sets. Now related skill sets, right? वो skill sets पढ़ाए जाएंगे आपको जो पेपर में आते हैं, जो मैंने अभी दिखाया highly analyzed screen के अंदर. What questions are taken in video lectures? One of the most probable questions that can come at IIT JEE. So that is why another important fact here, out of our video lectures and the assignments that we gave last year, in every JEE exam of 2019, 2 questions came directly. Directly, guys. Ditto. Right? So that is what we will say, that in video lectures, we are going to take those questions which are highly probable, which will be में करी गई है. Another question was, what is the average length of every video lecture? You can go and check the schedule. Schedule is available in the link below, right? In the description also. Average duration of each chapter is 80 to 120 minutes, depending on कि chapter को हमें किस difficulty level में पढ़ना है. Good point is, no tension of missing any class. You can watch the video pre-recorded lectures anytime according to your convenience, according to your pace. For example, if we upload the lecture at 10 a.m. in the morning, after that you can watch at any given point in time. In fact, you will be given different speeds also कि आप 1.25, 1.5x and 2x पे भी इसको चला सकते हैं videos को according to the pace you want to run the class. Very, very important stuff, guys. I've seen a lot of times crash courses generally start from class 12 topics. We don't do that. ना ही हम टाइम वेस्ट करते हैं कि यार बैच 2 सेकंड भी बनाना है, तो इसलिए पहला ये क्या करते हैं, वी विल गो वेरी स्लो ऑन द फर्स्ट 10 days 15 days so that others can join. We start really rock solid from day 1. We start from class 11 topics because that is the weak point of 90% of students. Class 12 is comparatively easy and straightforward to understand. We start off with class 11 topics. October and November is the best time to pick class 11 topics. That is where we'll hit hard. So coverage of class 11 topics will be done first. No wastage of time in doing revision, extra stuff in the early phases. We'll directly start with most important topics which are there in the syllabus. You can check the schedule. The order of even class 11 topics are decided according to the weightage of each chapter. The duration of each chapter is also again decided on how much weightage is there for that particular chapter. Another confusion that comes to the student is, so there is a free crash course available on YouTube from MathonGo. There are a lot of lectures available on YouTube from MathonGo. Is it going to be same? No, guys, definitely. अगर सेम होता तो हम उसको प्राइस कैसे बना सकते हैं? जो फ्री है और बड़े सारे लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, अब उनको डाउनलोड कर करके रखने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. Guys, the lectures that have been uploaded on YouTube, no need to download them because we are not going to take them off. They are for YouTube community. If you are not able to pay, please go and use them. But this particular course have completely different set of video lectures which are not there on YouTube and will not be there on YouTube. ठीक है? All right. Talking about the assignments. अब assignments सबसे बड़ा हिस्सा होता है आपका आफ्टर वीडियो लेक्चर्स प्रिपरेशन का. अब इसमें प्रॉब्लम क्या आती है कि मैं कौन सी बुक सॉल्व करूं? सर मेरे पास कोचिंग मटेरियल है. आई एम ऑल्सो एनरोल्ड इन सम अदर प्रोग्राम. Now, what again we thought unique in the MathonGo is, there are 200 questions if I have to give you. For example, for me as a teacher, it is very easy to say, go do the Cengage book and you will be able to do very good at JEE Mains. That is the main problem. You don't have enough time left. You only have 90 days left. So if you feel that in 90 days you could cover Cengage, what the hell you were doing for the last 1.5 years or 1 year if you are a dropper? I very well know that it is very, very difficult to cover a book, complete book, for example, Cengage or something of that sort, TMH, RD, whatever book you have in that stipulated 90 days. You cannot solve 200 or 300 questions at this point in time for every chapter. So what we thought was, can we reduce that 200 questions to 25 to 40 odd questions and get the same output? We can do that. Why we can do that? Because again of the highly analyzed skill set. So what we did was, each question we know why we are giving you that question. So for example, a question would be from sequence series, but it will involve logarithm. because we want that you should revise logarithm. Then one question would be on modulus, especially modulus inequalities, because modulus inequality is being asked every year at IIT JEE in conjunction to some chapter. We'll make sure that assignments are made in this particular order so that variety of questions are there, so that you don't have to do 200 questions. So 25 questions assignment will be given every chapter in PDF format also to you for practice, right? Apart from 20 questions which will be covered in video lecture. So 45 questions, you just have to concentrate on those questions, nothing else. Another big question that is being asked, sir, will the 25 question sheet be according to the new NTA pattern? Yes, it is definitely going to be according to the new NTA pattern, right? So you will have numerical based problems in those 25 questions. Go check out the demo course. Demo course available ho gaya hai. In that demo course, you will find an assignment which has 25 questions, out of which first 20 are objective, last 5 are numerical. Plus, important part to remember here, assignments are given in the form of quizzes. So if you want कि मेरे को उसको टेस्ट के तरीके से देना है on the platform which will be provided to students, you can take that in time bound fashion where the marking scheme will be similar to what you will get at JEE Mains. Okay guys, so NTA pattern has been taken care of. If you join in October batch, which starts from 1st October, we will cover your course by 15th of December. Please check the curriculum sheet. What you will do for the last 20 days, we will start revision sheets. Revision sheets which are even much better than what you are going to get in these initial days, which will be highly relevant to what you will be getting at JEE Mains final paper. वही तरीके के क्वेश्चंस, उसी तरीके के सवाल आएंगे उस रिवीजन शीट्स में, जिससे आपका परफॉर्मेंस और एनहांस होगा, और इन शॉर्ट वी कैन से इट विल ड्रास्टिकली इंप्रूव योर स्कोर. ठीक है. Third important thing that I want to ask or discuss with you guys is the live sessions. So what I want to ask is, आपको बहुत जगह डाउट्स की दिक्कत आती है, ठीक है, और डाउट्स सॉल्व कैसे होते हैं सर? कहीं ना कहीं कम्युनिटी पे टाइप करके, फोटो खींच के, किताबों में से पढ़ के, किसी की गाइड की हेल्प लेके. सो इमेजिन अगर आप 200 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने बैठते तो पहली बात आप पहले ही आउट ऑफ फोकस हैं. यू कैन नॉट कॉन्सेंट्रेट because there is a lot of pressure of solving 200 to 300 questions from each chapter. We reduce that to 40 questions every chapter, which becomes easy to do, and you can improve your concentration and focus by doing those limited 40 questions. Now, when you will have doubts, now asking any random doubts make it more difficult for you. Now, when you have concentrated on 40 questions and you have doubts on those 40 questions, you'll solve doubts related to those 40 questions. How we are going to solve doubts is very important. No need to type any doubt. अब डाउट में क्या होगा, जैसे अभी आप YouTube पे बैठे हैं, a lot of students are writing their doubts with us, right? But what they are doing, they are commenting their doubts. In our live sessions, you can speak directly to me if you have a doubt. That's the beauty of our live sessions. You don't have to waste your time in writing. कौन लिखता है यार पाए cos square theta सर कैसे आया? How you will write cos square theta? You cannot. You can just raise your hand and speak in the session. The demo of this live session is available on website mathongo.com. Please go and check that how asking doubts verbally drastically improve your performance in a live session. One-sided communication है ना, अभी मैं बोल रहा हूँ बस आप सुन रहे हो, वो two-sided communication होना शुरू हो जाएगा. When will the live sessions occur? Sir, I go to school. Sir, I go to coaching. What will happen? All live sessions will happen in the night. They will probably start from 8:30, 9 or 9:30 onwards. So you don't have to miss anything. That's the best part. What if I miss? All the recordings of live sessions will be available on your dashboard. If you take a live session today, the next day you will find the recording of that live session available on your dashboard. No need to worry. Right guys? What will be the duration of the live session? Each live session will comprise of 45 minutes. In those 45 minutes, we are going to discuss doubts related to the sheet that was given to you. We will not only teach you what are the assignments all about, how to solve the assignments quickly, so that you can save time in the examination will also be discussed. Sometimes questions can be solved using tricks. Sometimes questions can be solved using innumerable methods which are not directly thought by the students. कई बार होता है ना, पूछते हैं आपका दोस्त है, दोस्त को क्वेश्चन दिया, वो कर लिया उसने बहुत जल्दी, ओरल कर लिया, तो आप सोचते हो उससे पूछते हो यार तूने कैसे कर दिया. If a question can be solved oral and it is there in the sheet, we'll make sure we teach you that method also, that how you can solve orally so that you can save time in the final examination. So that is why we say time is very very important. Okay, please do not miss on time. There is no point of sitting in a live session daily. Why no? Because who will solve the questions then? अगर आप लाइव सेशन या वीडियो लेक्चर्स में सारा दिन बैठे हो तो क्वेश्चन कौन सॉल्व करेगा? रैंक क्वेश्चन सॉल्विंग से बनना ही है, किसी लाइव सेशन वीडियो लेक्चर से नहीं बननी है. Assignments are actually the most important stuff. Alright, so these are the three important pillars that we have to talk about, right? I will take your doubts. Just wait for 10 minutes more, right? That's what we will do. How much time is required to be devoted every day for this particular crash course? 90 minutes on weekdays if you're going to school or coaching. If you're coaching, we can reduce that to 60 minutes because you will be returning late. 3 hours on Saturdays and Sundays, each Saturday and Sunday. And we will be really, really good on this. Language, what will be the language which will be taught? So जिस तरीके से मैं अभी बात कर रहा हूँ, it will be a mix of Hindi and English and more inclined towards English so that the entire population can understand. और जिन लोगों को हिंदी ज़्यादा अच्छा समझ में आता है, उनको feel नहीं होगा कि यार मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा. So we'll keep it a mix of Hindi and English so that every category of student does not have a language barrier. What extra things I have to solve? Answer is nothing. No book, nothing. If you are just able to concentrate and do whatever is being told to you in the program, that's it. Program is sufficient for mathematics. You don't have to do any other thing apart from the course that is being given to you. Sir, I am weak. Will I be able to do? अब बहुत सारे बच्चों का सवाल आता है कि सर मैं अच्छा प्रिपेयर नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ, मेरा कोर्स बहुत पीछे है, मेरा अभी प्रिपरेशन लेवल बहुत ख़राब है. हमारा सिंपल सा टारगेट है, इफ़ यू हैव इवन बेसिक्स इन प्लेस, बेसिक का मतलब है आप एनसीईआरटी लेवल जानते हैं, यू विल बी रियली गुड इन दिस कोर्स. बट वी नीड ओनली वन थिंग फ्रॉम यू, रेगुलरिटी, डिसिप्लिन एंड डिटर्मिनेशन इन दी कोर्स. कोर्स में डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन जरूर होंगे, या डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन नहीं कराएंगे तो स्कोर कैसे बनेगा? बट यू शुड बी डिटर्मिन्ड इनफ टू नॉट गिव अप. दैट इज वेयर आवर मेंटरिंग विल आल्सो हेल्प. सो हमने जो असाइनमेंट शीट्स की बात करी थी, असाइनमेंट शीट्स आर गिवन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ क्विजेस. यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू सी द सॉल्यूशंस अनलेस अंटिल यू टेक दैट क्विज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, सो दैट वी गेट टू नो आप कहाँ अटक रहे हो, कहाँ आपको हमारी हेल्प की जरूरत है. वी विल काउंसिल यू ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर फ्रंट. Got it, guys? So if you have enough of basics done at your place, forget about everything, we'll take care of the rest. Sir, what about chemistry and physics? So एकदम से छूटती है हमारे पास बच्चों का ये सवाल आता है कि सर हम केमिस्ट्री और फिजिक्स का क्या करें? Guys, only one word to say. We at MathonGo could have expanded to physics and chemistry also, but we know teaching is very different from just making questions, right? So that is why we are just sticking to what we guys can deliver the best. We know that for maths we can deliver the best. That's why we stick to maths in terms of teaching, right? Because teaching is very very different skill set which cannot be done by everyone. So it is better to be good at one. That's what we believe. It's a question to you. Think, what if all three are bad for you? At least I'll save one subject, that is math, and make strongest of. That's what we can say and guarantee to you. आपको जो 90 दिन का कोर्स है उसमें बस लग जाओ, लगे रहो उसमें, हमसे जितना बात कर सकते हो करो. Tell us what you feel, what you want to do, and we'll give you 99 percentile in return. That's what we guys have to say. Registrations are open. Please go join immediately. Registrations closes on 27th of this particular month. That's the bottom line. Sorry, 20, not 27, 29th September. The registration closes. Please make a quick call. Seats are really filling very fast, very fast, guys. as usual, right? So we, first of all, we are really thankful to all of you for giving us such a great opening show, what I should say, and joining in a huge number. But please understand there are limited seats because we cannot just go beyond that a certain limit. So please come back and join as soon as possible. Alright guys, so this is about this particular course. I hope we are able to do the best that we can if you come to this particular course, right? And you will definitely come and join as well. ठीक है, आपको जो भी डाउट है, दिक्कत है, आपको कुछ पूछना है हमसे, you guys can write now in the description. I'll quickly take one pointers each and try to answer them if I have not answered any of your queries till now. Right guys, so I'm just scrolling to what are the doubts. Okay, somebody says yes sir, stick to this. What is the price? You all can go and check on the particular website. We are not going to cover advanced. It is only for JEE Mains. JEE Mains and JEE Advanced are very different topic, guys. We cannot take them simultaneously. Yes, it's a crash course, guys. That's what we guys are talking. Okay, and anybody else wants to ask, because we tried our, okay, superb. So somebody said that my brother joined and he got 100 by joining it in the last year. Superb guys, superb. Okay, so sir, after this, how to relate to the 282 test series, whatever is being taught to you. So for example, sequence series is done, very important and good question. And to all those who have joined the 282 test series, there is 10% discount which is being offered on this particular course as well, right? जो already 282 पे join करके बैठे हैं. So for example, if I teach you sequence and series, go back and take a test of sequence series. Completely match up with what I am teaching. All right, sir. What to do when I encounter with college midterm? So midterms जब आएंगे या फिर आपके pre boards आएंगे तो speed will definitely slow down. We cannot say that उतना ही aggression रहेगा. Somewhere down the line, things will try to challenge you. In challenge only, the best of you will come out. It is beneficial for boards too. Definitely, it is going to be beneficial for boards. But our target is JEE Mains. Right? How many have joined doesn't matter, guys. If I say 500 have joined, will it matter to you? That's the thing, right? All right, so let's see last quickly 3-4 more doubts before we wind up with the session. Sir, this 45 questions can boost our confidence. These questions are designed specifically to boost your confidence. Each of them will be given with complete solutions, so do not worry about them. Right? Okay. Sir, how are you spending 90 minutes in a day for math on go and following sincerely can push it to 99 percentile? Yes, definitely. If you start giving 90 minutes daily to the course that we are giving and 3 hours on Saturdays and Sundays individually, 99 percentile is something which you can really target in any given day, right? All right. Okay. A lot of you were asking earlier that, sir, can we check a demo? Demo is now available, so don't worry about it. What will be the basic knowledge required? So basic knowledge is whatever you have done. In fact, if you notice, the first chapter of the course is basic of maths, where we'll teach you wavy curve method, logarithms, logarithmic inequalities, modulus inequalities, and GIF function, which covers the basic, right? That is what you guys can do. A lot of you are asking how to use your YouTube lectures if you cannot afford. See, YouTube lectures are a great source, but they are not analyzed as highly analyzed these lectures are. So that's the only difference. All right, so let's move forward and see any else. Sir, maths का कौन सा book करें? That's we just told you. If you are into the course, no need to solve anything else. No need, guys. All right, so anything specific that I might have to take? Yes, any course will help. So a lot of students are asking, sir, will this course help? Will this YouTube course will help? All courses will help. If you have a lot of time and you think you can manage on your own, you do not require a fixed strategy, or you do not require concentrated effort. आपके पास अभी time है, आप अच्छा prepare already कर रहे हो. YouTube पे जो Mathon का course है, that is self-sufficient. But if you feel sir नहीं मेरा अभी बहुत खराब state चल रहा है, I need somebody to give me directed help, then this paid course is for you, right? Which is highly analyzed. All right, guys. Chaliye. Where you will be able to see this, that's the thing. Everything will be available on a MathonGo platform. Please go and check the demo course. Exactly similar thing will be used in the final course. All right, guys. Okay. Anything else, guys? I'm just going very quickly through the questions that you have asked, but I don't think any of the things are left. So devices, how you can access, sir, app में use करना पड़ेगा नहीं, no app is required. You can easily access the course if you have internet connection through any browser. ब्राउजर आता है, आप चाहे उसको लैपटॉप, टैबलेट, फोन कहीं से भी एक्सेस करें, you will be able to access the course. No app will be required. Solutions of the DPP and sheet, every question of the DPP will be provided with solution. All right, guys. So a lot of you have in fact praised us that we are sticking to maths. I hope that now you understand why we have been sticking to maths. You have gone to a lot of platforms. You have seen that when somebody tries to do too many things, they generally go out of order, and we don't want to do that. All right, guys. So last two questions, and then we guys will wind up. Okay. Any platform for physics and chemistry? A lot of questions have been asked on the same. Seriously, guys, I don't know any such program at this point in time, and it's not because I'm hiding. We generally do not know because we are too much engrossed in making the course what we guys are doing at our end, right? What to solve if not able to join the course? Already the books strategies for last 4-month video is available. Please go and see that, Naman. All right. Okay. So money back वाला जो process बड़े सारे लोग अभी पूछ रहे हैं. So that is for meritorious students. So if you have paid right now and you are part of this program and you get 99 percentile in January, we will refund your entire fees. Plain and simple. Nothing more than that. कोई और terms and conditions नहीं. Simple सी strategy है. ठीक है? All right. So all right, guys. This is about this particular course details. Please go to mathongo.com and see yourself that how this course can help you in making sure that you get to the 99 percentile score. All right, guys. Anything else apart from which you still have a doubt and have not been able to cover in this particular lecture? Please join. Ask any doubt on WhatsApp number which is given on the MathonGo website, or you can also comment in the comment section of this particular video and we'll get back to you. Right, guys? So I'll take a leave for today. Any doubts, again I repeat, feel free to come back to us, but make sure that you don't have time enough now. So please take whatever decision you want to and make sure you take the right call. God bless you all. Keep working hard, and MathonGo is always there whether you join the course or not. We are always there to help you out. God bless. Bye-bye.